Hi everybody, I hope you are okay today. Today's video is all about plants and animals. Do you remember which section of our classroom do we find work about plants and animals? Yes, in the knowledge and understanding of the world section. So that's why I decided to sit outside, a little bit of nature, because we are learning about plants and animals. I hope you're going to enjoy this activity. On my table, I have a picture of a plant with all the different parts. At the bottom here, we have the roots, which are under the ground and they absorb water. Then we have the long stem, which keeps the plant upright. We have leaves, which are usually green most of the time. We have a flower, which usually has the pollen. And then some plants have fruit, and the fruit contains the seeds, which helps the plant to reproduce. Here I have a picture of animals. You remember animals have a head, a body, limbs, and a tail. And some animals have whiskers, beaks, horns, tusks, wings, and feathers. Some animals are reptiles, some are fish, birds, amphibians, and mammals. Do you remember the lesson you had with teacher Kirsty last week about living and non-living? Yes, so all plants and all animals are living because most importantly they grow, they need food, they need water, they reproduce, meaning they make more, and they breathe. Okay, look at all these exciting things that I have on my table. Would you like to sort them into what is plants and what is animals? Let's begin. Okay, so on my table I've put two labels, a plant and animal. Now let's sort our objects. What do we have here? It has roots, it has a stem, and it has leaves. So this would be a plant. What's this? A little duck. It has a head, body, and a tail, and real ducks have limbs as well. So this is an animal. A zebra. Look at our zebra. It has a head, it has a body, limbs, and a tail. So this is an animal. This is a rose. It's a flower. So it's a plant. A pig is an animal. This is a plant because it has a flower, leaves, and a stem. A grasshopper is an animal because it has a head, body, limbs. This is a plant because you can see its beautiful leaves and the roots are under the sand. And a crocodile would be an animal because it has a head, body, tail, and limbs. And my last pot plant is a plant. Yes. Okay, so now you have sorted all the plants and animals. Remember, plants, they can grow, some grow inside, some grow outside, some are wild, some are not. And then animals, you get them in wild and domestic. Wild animals, they live out in the wild, in the nature reserves, and they hunt for their own food. While domestic animals, They can live at home or in farms, and they need to be fed, and you can play with them. Okay. In your activity packs, you would have received a paper like this, which says plant and animal, and there's all these lovely pictures of animals and plants, which you can color in and decorate how you want, and then you can sort them into plant and animals. But first, you're going to have to cut them. Then you would have received this, which you can also color in or paint. It's beautiful flowers. And these are lovely little leaves that you can color in as well or paint. And then this is a picture of the different parts of a plant, which you can also color in. And you can use all these pictures to make a beautiful collage if you want. You can cut them up, paste them, and just have fun with all of these activities. Okay. I hope you enjoyed that presentation. Now it's your turn to go and work with the activity at home. Have lots of fun, and please remember to send us pictures or videos of you so that we can see what you're doing. Okay, until next time, remember that I love you and I miss you all, and please look after yourselves and be happy. Mwah.